Olive oil is a fat obtained from the olive, a traditional tree crop of the Mediterranean basin. The oil is produced by grinding whole olives and extracting the oil by mechanical or chemical means. It is commonly used in cooking, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. Hippocrates was one of the first to promote the health-giving properties and benefits of olive oil, which was contested by the Western world in the 1950s. Having a high concentration of monounsaturated fatty acids, a number of health benefits have long been reported, and studies show that taking approximately 2 tablespoons promotes good cholesterol and lowers bad cholesterol, preventing coronary artery disease. According to some studies, olive oil can inhibit inflammation. In fact, a study conducted by Bastyr Center for Natural Health, olecanthal, which is the substance isolated from extra virgin olive oil, inhibits 2 enzymes involved in the process of inflammation, which are cyclooxygenase 1 and 2, hence preventing asthma attack. Olive oil is available in the form of capsules, ranging from 60 milligrams to 500 milligrams, and also available in liquid form. Now, the specific dosage for adults with infection is approximately 500 milligrams per capsule and taken twice daily. Olive oil is proven effective and can be found in almost every market. So no matter how hectic your busy life is, a healthier alternative is now within your reach. Better oil, better health, better life, olive oil.